Good morning, children. Let us begin with the prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Okay, children, now this is our alphabet chart. Okay, can you see this? A, B, C, D till Z, it is there. Okay, now in this chart, if you see, there are 26 letters. How many letters are there in English? We have 26 letters. Now, out of these 26 letters, 5 letters are special letters. Okay, there are 5 special letters which we say or which we call as vowels. Okay, they are called as vowels. Now, I'll tell you which are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. ठीक है, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called as vowels. Okay, and the rest of them are called as consonants. What are they called as? They are called as consonants. So, A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels, and the rest of the alphabets B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these letters are called as consonants. Okay. Now, why are we learning this? Now, A, E, I, O, U vowels, when we use while saying a sentence, if there is a word beginning with a vowel, okay, if there is a word beginning with a vowel, that is the first letter of that word is a vowel, then we have to say a and an before it. Okay, if I say apple, I would not say a apple, I would say an apple. A and an apple. I ate an apple today. Okay, I will not say I ate a apple, I will rather say I ate an apple today. ठीक है, I am holding an umbrella. You से है umbrella, so we will say I am holding an umbrella. Do you like to eat an orange? Orange. O is the first letter for orange. So O first letter है, तो उसके आगे हमें क्या लिखना है? an लिखना है. ठीक है. Again, ice cream. I is the first letter, so we will put an an in front of the ice cream. Okay, so to elaborate this, let us see the next slide. ठीक है, see these are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and the rest of them are called as consonants. Now this is a small exercise. ठीक है, now what is this? Can you see? This is a this is a book. Okay, this is a book. So, B-O-O-K, book. Correct. What is the first letter in the book? Okay, what is the first letter in the book? B is the first letter. Is B a vowel? No, it's not a vowel. So, we will say a book. A. We will use A in front of it. A book. Okay. Now, A-N-T, ant is the second one. When we are saying ant, A is the first letter. So, what we will write in front of it? We will write an in front of it. So, it should be an ant. Okay. Similarly, C-A-T, cat. So, what is the first letter? Cat का पहला अक्षर क्या है? C is the first letter. पहला letter C है. So, we will say a cat. वहाँ पे हमें an use नहीं करना, हमें A लिखना है. A cat. ठीक है. Then apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. So, first letter क्या है? A is the first letter. So, we got to say an apple. A-N, we will write here. Okay. Similarly, B-O-W, bow. First letter, what is the first letter here? B is the first letter. So, if B is the first letter, what shall we write? Is it a vowel or a consonant? It is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So, if it is a consonant, we got to write A. We shall write A and we will call a bow or we'll say a bow. ठीक है. Then next one, G-I-R-L, girl. What is the first letter here? G is the first letter. So we shall say a girl because G is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So we got to say a girl. Alright. Now E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Correct? So E is the first letter which is a vowel, and if it is a vowel we got to say an. We'll say an elephant. Okay. Now I-G-L-O-O, igloo. I is the first letter, so we shall say an igloo because first letter I is a vowel. Again this is I, E-Y-E-I. So again the E is the first letter and E is a vowel, so we shall say an I, an. Okay. Then K-I-T, kite. K is the first letter. Is K a vowel? No, K is not a vowel. K is a consonant. So we shall say a kite. A लिखना है, a kite बोलेंगे या a kite बोलेंगे, that is better. E-G-G, egg. E is the first letter, E is a vowel, so we shall say an egg. I ate an egg today, so an egg it should be. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. O first letter is a vowel, so we shall say an octopus. Okay, an octopus. Okay, now this is how we shall use a or an in front of the special letters which are the vowels A, E, I, O, U. You have to learn it by heart. Which are the vowels? If I ask you, you should know A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and always in front of a vowel we shall say an. We shall use an, an. Okay, now moving on to your page number of your book. It is page number 13 of your Oxford Advantage book number 1. Okay, special letters and other sounds. There are some special letters in the alphabet and these are A, E, I, O, U. Write the first letter for each picture of these. Each of these is a special letter. Okay, now in this they are giving you a picture. Okay, and you have to write the first letter of that picture. This is the reason why I did the previous page with the sounds. So first, what is it given? It is the picture of an orange. So what shall we use? Orange. What shall we write for the orange? We shall say O. We shall write here O. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Okay. Then what is this? It is an egg. So I will write here E. E-G-G, egg. Okay. This is an apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. So we got to write here A. Igloo, I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Umbrella, U-M-B-R-E, umbrella. Then ant, A-N-T, ant. Correct? Then this is ox, O-X, ox. And this is an elephant. So this is how the first page is over. Okay, now moving on to the next page. Okay, see the pictures. This is page number 14. See the pictures, complete the words using special letters A, E, I, O and U. Okay, what is it? They have given you a picture of an alligator and they have written the spelling, only the first letter you have to put. Okay, read the sentence. It is an dash, a dash, L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. What is this picture about? This is a picture of an alligator. Alligator. So what is the sound coming? A is the sound coming. So we shall write here A. Because they have given, see, for the alligator, since A is the first letter, they have put an in front of it. Okay. Now, it is an dash. What is this picture of? This picture is of an engine. So what is the spelling of an engine? N, A sound. So it is E. So E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. And since E is the first letter, we got to say an. It is an engine. Okay. Now, it is an dash pot. What is given here? It is an ink pot. So, ink, I is a spelling that comes here. So, it is I, ink pot. It is an ink pot. So, since I is the first letter, they have given you an in front of it. So, it is an ink pot. Okay. Then, this is octopus. So, it is an octopus. What is the sound coming? O sound. O sounds come from which letter? O. So, we will write here O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. And O is the first letter, which is a vowel. So, we are using an in front of it. Got it? Now, it is an, this is called as an urn. U-R-N, urn. Okay? So, we got to write U. It has to be U-R-N, urn. Okay? So, U is the first letter, and since U is a vowel, we call it an. It is an urn. use नहीं करना है, an use करना है यहाँ पर. Okay? So, this is how, and we use an in front of all these 5 vowels. We have to use an. यहाँ पे कहीं vowels के सामने कभी भी a नहीं लगता है. vowel के सामने हमेशा an लगेगा. Okay? Now, moving on to the next page. Okay, match the beginning sounds to the pictures. Now, they have given you some pictures on right and left side, and they have given you letters also. Okay, in between S, T, P, N. What are these letters? Are they vowels or are they consonants? S, T, P, N. They are all consonants. Okay, so now what you are going to do is you will match these pictures. Okay, now let's start with it. What is the first one? It is a tomato. Tomato. So T is the sound coming. So we will match it to T. Okay, then this is a net. Okay, so what is the sound coming? N. N. N is the sound coming. So what is the letter for N? N is the letter. So we will match it to N. Then what is this? This is a snail. Sn. S. S is the sound coming. So what is the letter for S? S is the sound. So we'll got to match it to S. This is a pencil. P. Pencil. P. P is the first letter. So we'll take it to P. Now this is again a nest. So N. N is the sound coming. It goes to N. This is a pan. P is the sound coming. So we'll match it to P. Then this is a tub. T is the sound coming. We'll match it to T. This is a strawberry. So strawberry sound is S, and so we'll match it to S. Okay. So this is how you'll match the sound of the picture to the alphabet. Right? Now read the sentences, trace the letters and say their sounds. This is a truck. Okay. Catch the letter. Catch the letter A over here. This is a truck. T. T is the letter. So you have to trace T over it. Why A? Because T is not a vowel. T is a consonant. So that is why we are using A. We did not say an over here. We are saying A. So this is a truck, and T being a consonant, we will say a. Okay? Now, the next page. This is a snail. This is a snail. See, we are writing A over here. We are not writing an. Why? Because S is a consonant. S is not a vowel. So, we will write a snail. This is a net. This is a net. So, N is not a vowel. N is a consonant. So, we got to say a. This is a tub. T is not a vowel. T is again a consonant. That is why we are saying this is a tub. Okay. Then this is a pan. P. P is a consonant. So we got to say this is a pan. We will not say a and an. We will say only a over here. So that is how for the consonants we use a and for the vowels we use an. Okay? Now what have we done in this chapter? I can now identify special letters and complete the words. Right? Now you can identify what are the special letters. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 special letters, or they are called as vowels. Remember the word vowel. Okay. So A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O and U. These special letters are called as vowels. Okay. Identify the sounds S, T, P and N. Now you can identify the sounds of S. S gives you S sound. T gives you T sound. P gives you P sound. And N gives you N sound. Okay. So we have learnt vowels, we have learnt consonants, and we have learnt the sounds of all these vowels. Alright children, that's all.